Morning guys! Morning guys! Right, Duggan here. Today I'm going to show you a magic trick. Yeah, I'm going to use my Breville smoothie maker. Yeah. Right. This is your blade, your 500ml container, which is now, I believe they've reduced it to 300. That just fits on the top, right? If you put that there for a minute. If you look at my Astonish, yeah, it's rock hard, yeah. Astonish, it can be any, whatever brand you've got, yeah, it's solid, yeah, it's solid, it's no good, right? Take your container, yeah, remember this is food safe and everything else, so you can use your blender. Just put that in there. A couple of dessert spoonful in there. Just what? Yeah. Nothing fancy. Get just normal boiling water. Just pour about, well, pour about a finger, 2 fingers full in. Let me just move that. Put your lid on. Put your lid on. Make sure it's tight. Give it a quick shake. And you see it starts to form a foam. Right? When you're using your Breville, you've got lock and you unlock. On here and on, you've got your lock and you've got your unlock. Get your container, and on your blade you've got a dot. Line that dot up with the unlock, twist, lock it, lift it up, yeah, make sure it's on, and then just blitz. That's it. Done. Yeah, it's like water. It's like water. Yeah. Really. Yeah, it's like water. Whoops, we're upside down. Hold on, the screen's upside down. I'm upside down. Oh, I can't see that. Right, it's like, that's better. It's like water. So you just get the rest of your container. Just get the rest of the container. Shift that out of the way. Just get the rest of the container, put it in there. Yeah. I've hardly ever used this. I've had it years. And I thought, well, I'm not going to pay £4 they want for a new one. So let's see what we can do. I've already done some, which I tipped into another container, so let's put that in there. And, right, at the moment you're doing this for your Astonish, but if you've got mayonnaise and it's gone dry, just put a drop of warm water on it. It doesn't have to be boiling, it can be just warm water straight from the tap, yeah, and that'll replenish it. You know, as long as it's not gone rotten, it's only got a skin over it, yeah, just put boiling water or hot water on the top of it. You see how I'm filling this right up? You look at that now, that's almost 500 mils. Now, anyone else would have thrown this in the bin, but I like playing with things, yeah, and I'm an ex-chef, hotel, restaurant manager, and we don't like wasting money. If we can find a way to save money, we will. And most of the time, what we've learned is come through experience, and it's normally the staff themselves that have actually taught us. Right, let me just get a microfiber. You know? Let's just do this up a bit. Right, so then, as I say, just put your lid on. Put your lid on. Line up the dot with the unlock. And then it doesn't have to be a Breville, it can be whatever you've got. You know, if you've got a stick blender, put it in a tall, thin container that came with it. And just... Right, that's not working. So just give it a shake. Give it a quick shake. Yeah. Yeah, just give it a quick shake. Pulse it. Yeah, just pulse it. This is where people go wrong with the blenders. What they do is they stick their finger on it and they say, oh, it's not working, because they're not pulsing it. If you pulse it, it'll bring the stuff up. You know, it'll make it jump up and it'll bring it back to the blade. And take it off, give it a shake. You know, it might take you 10 minutes to do it, but guess what? It's better to spend 10 minutes doing this while you're bored one day than going to spend 4 quid. Take your lid off. Take your lid off. Yeah. And if you look at my lid now, that's a paste. It went from a brick to a paste. See that? It's like a paste. It's like whipped cream. Yeah. Now you were going to throw that in the bin. Then, just get your container, you know, nothing fancy, just with a lid, yeah, and just put your lid on, yeah, you're done. So, let me take that off. If you've got another one of these, or you've got a container with a lid on, use it. I've actually got another one I can use, but I don't know if it's going to be big enough. Bear with me, guys. Now, I'll tell you what I do have. Right, guys, I'm just washing up. Right, I'm back. Sorry about that, I just had a brainwave. I have them now and again. Right, rather than using your plastic container, use a coffee jar. Yeah, just wash it out. That's what I was doing, I was just washing it out. Been sat in the cupboard for years, never used. So just wash it out, dry it. Just dry it out. Give the lid a quick clean. Just make sure the lid's alright. Yeah, that's going to be airtight. If it keeps coffee good, it's going to keep your thing good as well. And then just, as I say, just give it a quick dry. Take your spoon. And take your container. See? Now I was going to throw that away. That was just, as I say, 1 or 2 fingers of boiling water. 1 or 2 fingers of boiling water. The only reason I'm doing this is because I was in Jack's the other day, the local store, and they wanted £4 for a cleaning kit. And it wasn't the price that put me off the cleaning kit. It was the fact they said Leave your windows open. Don't touch paint. Don't touch flooring. Don't touch this. Don't touch that. Don't touch the other. I thought, well, if it's that dangerous, why would people use it? You know? You know, if you can spare this jar, yeah, which the blade automatically goes onto, then leave it in it, and then in 6 months' time, a year's time, if it's gone hard again because you haven't used it, just put a bit of water in again, blitz it again, and there you go, your job done. Now, I'm going to put that in the kitchen. I'm not going to use it, or I'm not going to wash it, should I say. And I've got some shelves to clean later that I'll use them for the pizzas. That you can't see it on camera, but it is. They are slightly stained. So I'll see if just get the microfiber, wipe out that jar, and see if I can clean my shelves. And just put your lid on. Yeah, I don't know how long. I don't know how long it'll keep for. But if you look, if you look there, you can see it. You can see it fall back down again. Yeah. If you look, I can't see. I'm as blind as a bat, right? So you see where the glass is there, clear. If I do that, it's not exactly coming quick, is it? So it's a paste. Yeah, that works. Anyway, that's me done for now. Talk to you later. I need to wash my hands.